I'm going to offer this property with 105,000 US dollar, located on 13th floor in one of the new compound complex in Istanbul, Bahçeşehir here. This one, it's for our previous client who bought it like 1.5 years ago, and now he is offering again to the marketing below the real estate marketing with 20-25%. This apartment, like this one, you can get it. If you search a brand new from the sales office, it will be like 160,000 US dollar. But the client wanna sell it because he bought it less than this price before 1 year ago. So the price is 105,000 US dollar for this apartment. It's brand new, by the way. It's never been used at this property. It's located in Istanbul, Bahçeşehir, as I told you. What will be the extra fees if you decide to buy such a property? You are going to pay only 4% for the title deed transaction, and you are going to pay a little bit of commission to your agency. Okay, right now we are on the balcony. Just take a look at this open, breathtaking view from the balcony, and with the sun is hitting inside the property, so no need to take vitamins or etc. because already you have the sun is hitting your face right from here, guys. Well, that is the bedroom for this property. It's enough, the size of it, to be fit for a bedroom, to the bedroom to be here, and you put the drawer here. So the height of the ceiling is good, and the heating system, we call it kombi or doğalgaz in Turkey. It's a central one. That is it regarding to the bedroom. And in the apartment, guys, you have enough space for shoes and for coat. So when you come from outside, your jacket, you can hang it out here. And then we have on the left side directly a space, a good space for the washing room, and with the more than good finishing. The finishing is almost perfect in this property. So we have 3 items will be delivered with the apartment. This one, and then we have oven and stove. They will be delivered with the property. As you can see, the material here, it's guaranteed for 3 years to 5 years. That is regarding to today's property. If you want to get more information about it, or you want to book it, or you want to do something about this property, so get in touch with me and I will provide you with more details about it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Well, if it's your first time that you're watching me, don't forget to hit this subscription button down, because always I have new videos, new vlogs, new opportunities for you regarding to the real estate in Istanbul, Turkey.